Ever had that sinking feeling when you swipe your card and decline? It happens to the best of us. Maybe you forgot about an upcoming bill, or that coffee date ran a little longer than expected. Whatever the reason, being caught short can be stressful. That's where fintech apps like KOHO come in. They promise a safety net, a financial buffer to catch you before those accidental overdrafts send your bank account into the red. But with all these financial apps popping up, can you be sure they'll actually cover you when it counts? Let's dive into KOHO's answer to that question. Does KOHO cover $50? The short answer is yes, KOHO can absolutely cover $50. But here's where things get interesting. KOHO doesn't operate on a one-size-fits-all system. Instead, they offer a feature called Cover, which acts as a subscription-based overdraft protection plan. Here's how it works. For a monthly fee, which starts at $5, KOHO extends you a credit line, essentially a buffer zone in your account. If your spending surpasses your available balance, KOHO uses your cover amount to cover the difference, preventing that dreaded overdraft. Now, the key thing to understand is that the maximum amount of your cover credit line isn't fixed at $50. It can actually range anywhere from $20 all the way up to $250. So, while KOHO can definitely cover $50, it depends on what your specific cover limit is. KOHO determines your cover limit based on a few factors. They consider your income, spending habits, and overall financial health. So, someone with a steady income and a history of responsible spending might be eligible for the full $250 cover, whereas someone with a more unpredictable income flow might be offered a lower limit. This personalized approach might seem a little complex at first, but it's actually a responsible one. KOHO isn't just handing out free money, they're assessing your situation and extending a credit line that they believe you can comfortably manage. Here's another cool aspect of KOHO Cover: it doesn't charge any interest on the amount you borrow. That's right, no hidden fees, no surprise charges. You simply pay the flat monthly subscription fee, and that's it. This is a major advantage compared to traditional overdraft protection offered by banks, which can come with hefty per-transaction fees. Of course, there's always the question, is KOHO Cover worth it? Well, that depends on your financial situation. If you find yourself accidentally overdrafting on a regular basis, then KOHO Cover can be a lifesaver. It provides peace of mind knowing you're protected from those unexpected charges. Plus, the lack of interest and the relatively low monthly fee make it a cost-effective option. However, if you're someone who manages their finances meticulously and rarely strays into negative territory, then KOHO Cover might be an unnecessary expense. It's always best to evaluate your spending habits and determine if this type of service aligns with your financial goals. Ultimately, KOHO is a great option for those who want a safety net without the harsh penalties of traditional overdraft protection. Their personalized cover limits and zero-interest approach make it a financially responsible solution. So, there you have it. KOHO can cover $50, but the exact amount depends on your individual cover limit. Remember, KOHO Cover is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.